this video, I'll show you how you can fix not authenticated with Minecraft.net failed to connect to server. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you come here and search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and you do that 2 times. Now in these 2 black boxes, the first one you're going to type sfc /scan now and let it scan. It's going to scan up to 100 and then it should be fine. On this one you're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and then you want to type net sh winsock reset and press enter. Now once that one is done, you can just have this one in the minimized. Then what you want to do is you want to go here and search for control panel, open it up, view by large icons, open up network and sharing center, go to change adapter settings, find your network, right click disable, and then right click enable. Now once you've done that, it should hopefully work. As a last resort, what you can do is you can uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it and see if that works. Now after you've done all of this, what you should do is you should restart your PC and see if it works. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.